Well, that feels pretty good. I've been drifting around for about an hour now and haven't had a bite until now, except those first 2 fish, which came pretty fast in the first 20 minutes. And this feels like a good fish. Yeah, yes.
The tree just fine.
Ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
We got
All right. Oh,
nice fish.
That's a nice fish.
Good job, Ron.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
Okay, throttle again.
that was quite a battle.
it was quite a battle.
Yeah, actually it's quite big.
Yeah, it's a good
It
fish.
looked small when it came up from the surface. It's actually pretty big. Oh, it's quite a fight. Arms are sore now. First of the day. I've had to work for this. Alright.
What do you figure it weighs, Jeff?
Oh, it's definitely over 15.
Yeah, it's between 15 and 20, I think, this fish. Yeah.